Use the following diagram for problems 1 through 5. Use your transparency as needed. Number 1 says, looking at only segments BC, is it possible that a 180-degree rotation would map segment BC to segment B'C'? Why or why not? Well, a 180-degree rotation would form a set of parallel lines, and if we draw a line through our center of rotation, assuming that it's the origin, if we did BC and we rotated it from the origin, oops, you can't see that, it would end up parallel, but it definitely isn't a rotation through the origin. So is it possible? Yes, because BC is parallel to B'C'. So it is possible that there's a rotation, but we don't think that it's from the center. Now looking at number 4, it says connect B to B', C to C', A to A'. Okay, connecting B and B', C with C', and A with A'. What do you notice? I notice that they all intersect at the point 0, -1. What do you think that point is? What do you think that point would be? It could be the center of rotation. Five says, would a rotation map triangle ABC onto A', B', C'? If so, define the rotation. If not, explain why not. So let's check. If we were to draw the point there with the triangle, is it possible to use a rotation to match them up? It definitely looks like it's possible. So we're going to say yes. We know that they had to be 180 degrees to make the lines parallel. And the center of rotation is that point 0, -1. Okay, 6. The picture below shows right triangles ABC and A', B', C'. Where the right angles at B and B', given that AB is equal to A', B', and those are 1, and BC is 2, and that's the same as B', C', it says AB is not parallel to A', B'. Is there a 180-degree rotation that would map ABC onto A prime, B prime, C prime? No. 180-degree rotations create segments or line segments that are parallel to its image, meaning the original and the image are parallel to each other. Looking back on our notes, it says a 180-degree rotation around O maps L to a line parallel to L. So it makes the new version parallel to the original when you have a 180-degree rotation. So when it says that they are not parallel, then the answer has to be no.